The Private Wardrobe Advisory is a structured and focused conversation where I can get context about you and your lifestyle. Knowing the company you work for, or if it is a company that you own and operate, is just the beginning of our conversation. I want to understand your role, what the culture is like, and what a typical work week looks like for you. Different industries tend to have different perceived expectations, and I want to understand how your industry can drive what you wear from day to day. Your professional wardrobe should be closely aligned with your industry. It should work for you and not against you. Further, I want to understand more detail about your lifestyle. If you travel, if you have a busy social event calendar, traveling to see clients or attending social events can sometimes be challenging to know what to wear, and we will discuss that in more detail. I want to also discuss with you what your weekends look like. Are you going out to dinner with family and friends at the club, going to kids' ball games, or even attending church? When you have a wardrobe foundation and system in place, everything should function easily and can spread across all aspects of your life. After we discuss your professional life and overall lifestyle, we can evaluate what items you currently own and what items are missing. I want to know what are go-to items that you always are comfortable with and you seem to gravitate towards. I want to know what items you have that you seem to struggle with and how to wear or when to wear them. We can look at the strengths and weaknesses and what adjustments may need to be made. Sometimes you may need minor adjustments, or you may need to build a wardrobe completely from the ground up. Whether you need to just add some items to fill some holes, or you want to refresh and rebuild your wardrobe, if you approach it by building a foundation in mind and have a strategy in place, it will make getting dressed a lot simpler and even more enjoyable. At the end of the session, my goal is to get to know you, understand your lifestyle, and for you to have clarity about your wardrobe. I want you to be confident and comfortable in your clothes and never have to second guess what to wear in any situation. In the final video, I'll explain why building a proper foundation and investing in this conversation matters long term. If you'd like to begin building your wardrobe with a clear strategy, you can learn more about the Private Wardrobe Advisory linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.